Yo guys, QBH here. Welcome back to another video. Today, my mum just bought me some chewing gum and said that I have to eat it because it tastes so good. So I'm going to be eating it and seeing what it tastes like. First off, before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button, please. So yeah, let's eat this chewing gum. Look, it says minty surprise, so it must be nice. Ow! Oh, God. Oh. Ow. What? It's a cockroach on the end of a Look. Look. Oh, she pranked me. I just got owned by my mum. Ah! I just got owned by my mum. So, if you want me to do some more prank videos, subscribe and hit that thumbs up button and comment what other videos you want me to do. Right, goodbye.